Hello, I'm Elizabeth. I'm going to show you how to alter themes, fonts, and colors in PowerPoint presentations. The first thing that we will learn to do is choose built-in presentation themes. To do this, go to the Design tab in the ribbon. Click on a built-in theme from the theme group under the Design tab. This theme applies to all slides in the presentation, which gives a consistent and attractive look for the entire presentation. The title page will look slightly different than the other slides, but it remains within the same color scheme. This is a nice theme, but we can customize it even further. For example, if we click on the background style in the background group located in the top right corner, you will notice there are preset gradient fill backgrounds to choose from. Choose one. These can be customized further under Format Backgrounds if desired, but we are going to move on and learn how to create a solid background fill. Now we will return to Background Styles in the Background group, click on Format Background, and select Solid Fill under the Fill tab. Click on the Paint Can Color button, choose a color, and click Apply to All. Close out. This color will become the background for all slides in the presentation. Let's check out another background feature by returning to Background Styles again. Click on Format Background, select the Picture or Texture fill. Click on the Texture Picture box, select one, and apply to all. Close out. Once again, the background theme has changed throughout the entire presentation. Now let's select an unaltered built-in theme to use for the rest of the Screencast tutorial. Choose another theme from the theme group. Notice that this selection will change your previous background color and font. Even though we have lots of themes to choose from, we can take a single theme and make it look entirely different by clicking on the drop-down list for colors beside the theme. It helps us customize and change your designated theme colors instantly. In order to customize and change the color scheme, go to the Theme group in the Design tab, click Colors, Create New Theme Color. We can change any and all colors related to the theme, but for now we are going to focus on hyperlink color. It is important that a hyperlink stands out on a slide and can be recognized easily. In the Theme Color section, click the arrow that leads to hyperlink colors. From there, click More Colors, select a color that will stand out, and click OK. To change the color of the hyperlink after they have been followed or visited, click on the Color button, More Colors, and follow the same steps as before to change the followed hyperlink colors. In order to change the hyperlink colors back to their original settings, you can click Reset. We are going to skip this step now. By changing the theme's original color, we have created a new color scheme. In order to identify the new theme, rename it in the Name section. Then click Save. Now all hyperlinks in the presentation have been changed to stand out against the text color in your newly created theme. We can also dramatically alter the presentation by changing the font or font size. To change the font associated with the theme of your presentation, click on the Font drop-down list in the Theme group under the Design tab. This font selection will change the text on all slides in the presentation. In order to change font size, highlight text, click on the Home tab, and edit text size. This will only change the size of the selected text. It does not apply to other slides in the presentation. The presentation and slide titles will automatically be larger than text in a regular text box. Text can further be formatted through colors, effects, and fonts on an individual basis by highlighting text and right-clicking on the text. However, these actions do not apply the changes to all slides, so it is discouraged from use. This concludes the Screencast tutorial of PowerPoint themes, fonts, and colors. Click on the question mark Help button at the top of the menu bar if you have any more questions about the PowerPoint program. Thank you and good luck.